Dear students, in the last class we already discussed the conversion from decimal to binary, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal and vice versa. So today we are discussing the conversion from other number system to the any other number system except the decimals. For example, if you want to convert from binary to octal. If you want to convert from binary to the octal, so it has some procedure. So if you want to convert from other number to the other number means first this binary is converted to the decimal number system. After that it is converted to octal number system. For example, 11101. So this is the binary number system. So we already know that how to convert binary to the decimal. So how to convert? First you have to write the ratios. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First you have to mention the powers. So here 1 is there, 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 16 plus 4 is 20, 28 plus 1, 29. Means if you want to convert from binary to the octal, first this binary is converted to decimal number system. After finding the decimal number system, so next is you can convert this decimal to octal. So you already know that how to convert the decimal to octal. So just divide by 8. 29 by 8. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 5. That is in the reverse you can write 35 to the base is 10. 8. So this is the method for converting the binary to octal. Again it consists of one shortcut method from binary to octal. So here 1 1 1 0 1. So here octal means 2 to the power of 3 because 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. So that's why you have to take the 3 digits. Initially you can take 3 digits. Here only 2 digits are there. So that's why I have to mention 0. Again it is a 1 group. It means that why you have to make the group 3 numbers as a 1 group means because octal consists of 2 raised to 3, the power is maximum 3. So that's why here each one digit indicates 1 bit. 1 bit of data. Here 3 bits. That's why we can make the 3 digits 1 group. Before this, I have to write some numbers. Here decimal number and here binary. In decimal, 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 0 0 0. So why we have to take the 000 means it can be represented in octal format. 3 digits indicates 3 bit. 3 bits means 2 raised to 1 digit. Next 1 indicates 0 0 1. 2 indicates 0 1 0. 0 1 0. So how to remember from 0 to 10 or 0 to 15? So one thing is every time you have to convert this binary to the decimal. That is the one option. Another one is simply 0 means 0 0, 1 means 1, 2 means 10, 3 means 11. Because binary numbers can be represented in terms of zeros and ones. Next 4 is 100 direct. Because The remaining numbers does not have a binary value. For example, 12, 13. Next is 100. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 6 is 1, 1, 0. 7 is 1, 1, 1. 8 is 1, 0, 1, 0. In the same way, you have to write up to 15. So suppose this format is difficult for you. The simplest way is you can convert each digit into the decimal. Then you will get the same result. But I have to mention 3 numbers because of octal. Octal means the number can be represented maximum 3. Because see here the octal numbers are only 0 to 7, not the 8. The maximum 7 is 111. Okay. See here. The shortcut method for converting the binary to the octal is you can make the 3-digit to one group, that is from right to the left side. See here 101 indicates 7. 011. Suppose if there is no zeros means you have to mention 0. 011 means that is 3. It is equal to 101 means 5. 101 is not a 7. See here 0, 0, this one. 101 is 5. So this is equal to 35 to the base 8. But in the examination, so you are not follow this rule. It is only for confirming your answer. Confirming your answer, because in 2 lines it will finish. You have to remember one thing is whatever it may be the binary number, first that can be converted into the decimal number system. After find out in the decimal number system, so next it is converted to octal number system. So this is the method. So you have to consider another example. Another example 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. First you have to follow the same method, that is binary to the steps I have to write. First step 1 binary to decimal. Step 2 decimal to octal. So you already know that how to convert decimal to binary, decimal to octal. Just if it is a binary means divide by 2, if it is octal means divide by 8, if it is a hexadecimal means divide by 16. So here step 1 is first you can convert the binary to the decimal. Write on the powers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 into 2 raised to 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to 7 plus 1 into 2 raised to 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. See here 2 to the power of 8 is 256. How to remember? Next question. So 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Its half is 5 and 2. Its half is 256 plus 2 raised to 7 128 plus 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 is 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now we have to add 256. This 256 plus 4, 260, 260 plus 120, 380, 388 plus 60, 388 plus 60 is 448 plus 4. See here, better suppose if you make mistake means the entire answer become wrong. 256 plus 4 is 260 plus 128, that is 388 plus 64 is 452, 452 plus 48. Total is 500. 452 plus 32 plus 16 is 48. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. 4 plus 1 is equal to 500. 10. And another one is there, that is here 1 is also there. 501. So once again we have to check the sum, because if it is wrong means again you will get the final result wrong only. So once you can add clearly, otherwise better you have to use the calculator. Here 256 plus 128 is 384 plus 64 8 448 plus 32 480. So up to this much is 480 plus 16 496 plus 4 501. 501 it is. Okay, it means you are adding and multiplying is correct. Next step is, so after converting the binary to the decimal, so next step is you have to convert this 501 to octal number system. So here 8 is there, 8 6 ja 48, remainder is 2, 21 it is. Okay, 8 6 ja 48, remainder is 2, that is 21. 8 2 ja 16, remainder is 5. Next is 62. 8 7 ja 56, remainder is 6. 8 7 ja 56, remainder is 6. Next is in the reverse order we have to write the final answer, that is 765 to the base is 8. So this is the final answer. So now we have to verify your answer by using the shortcut method. See here, you can make the 3-digit one group, that is from right to the left side, not the left to the right side. Okay, see here, this is the first group, this is the second group, and this is the third group. See here, chart. 5101 is equal to 5, 110 is equal to 6, 111 is 7, that is 765. Your final answer is also 765. Clear? So this is the important, because in the examination maximum time they have to ask this only, this method only. Clear? So I have to give some homework. You can solve. Conversion from binary to the octal. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. This is the first example. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. First one is 1 0 1 0 double 1 0 1 1 0 1. Second one is double 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 4 double 0 1. So next is binary to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Again the procedure is same. First you can convert the binary to the decimal. After that the decimal can be converted into the hexadecimal. But if you want to verify your answer, the shortcut method is you can make the 4-digit one group. Why we have to take the 4-digit means here hexadecimal means the base is 16. So 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. That's why. So you can make the 4-digit one group. Again same procedure. You can make the group from right to the left. Clear? See here. Just you can put 1 0 extra. And 8 can be represented at 1 0 1 0. 9 can 1 0 1 1. 10 can be represented as 8 can be represented at 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. 11 is 1 0 1 1. 12 is 1 1 0 0. 13 is 1 1 1 0 1. 14 is 1 1 1 0. Finally 15 is 1 1 1. But this 10 can be represented as A, B, C, D, E and F. Example 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is the binary format. So you can convert this to the hexadecimal. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 into 2 raised to 7 into plus 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So here 2 raised to 7 is 128 plus 0 because 0 into any value is we will get 0 only. 2 raised to 5 is 32 into 132. That is 0. 2 raised to 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 plus 1. 32 plus 8 is 40. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 2, 42 plus 1, 43. 43 plus 8, 51. 51 plus 120, that is 171 to the base 10. Once again add 128 plus 2 is 130. 130 plus 30. 1 plus 130 plus 40, 170 plus 1 is 171. So now you have to convert this 171 to the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means you can take the number as 16. Sixteen ones are 16, or you can take 0. 11 is there, you can take 0. It means that 16 tens are 160. Remainder is 11. So here 11 is B. Next we cannot divide because 10 and 11 are there. 10 can be represented as A in the reverse order. We have to write. Finally, the answer is AB to the base 16. AB to the base 16. See here, shortcut method. So you can make the 4-digit one group. 1011 is one group. 1010 is another group. See here the chart. So here 1010 is A. 1011 is B. Then your answer is correct. Suppose if it is difficult to remember the chart means, do one thing. So just you can convert 4 digit to the decimal number system. You can make the 4 digit one group. Here 1011. After that you can convert this to the decimal number system, and you can mention the hexadecimal value. For example, see here 1011 is there, 0 1 2 3, 2 raised to 3 is 8. 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 3 is 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. See here, 11 is B. In the same way, you can do the 1010. Clear? So just I will give some homework for you. Again, 2 examples from binary to the hexadecimal. First one is 10101101. Second one is 1111001100. So these are the 2 examples. So you can convert these to binary to the hexadecimal. Okay. So in the next class, so we will discuss the remaining things. That is, how to convert from hexadecimal to the binary and octal to binary. So after that, so you have to discuss some binary additions. So how to add the numbers using the binary. It consists of some rules. If you want to add the numbers, for example 2 plus 3, that is 5. It is easy. But in binary, that is also you will get 5 only, but it consists of some rules. You have to follow the rules for addition. In the same way, subtraction. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.